second hand, girl. You better go back around.
Now this song got brand new second hand. This would have been Peter Tosh's first single after he left the Wailers. And
This was in 1976.
1976, right. They 75, 76. The thing though is he and Marley had a falling out. Bonnie Wailer had declared from early 1972 that his days are tour, 1973 rather. I think they were in England. And this was when they did that tour with Johnny Nash, and the tour never worked. And Bonnie Wailer decided, said, listen, me not tour, I'm not go on a more Iron Bird with you know. So any overseas touring business, him out of it.
And back in the day, you know, one of the catchphrases and say, yo, that was step.
Yeah, well, Bonnie Wailer basically decided and stepped. And so Tosh continued, but around November, I'm told, there was a clash between himself and Bob. And a little argy-bargy go on and thing. But Tosh basically used that as the cutoff point, and he left the group.
And we say him write this song.
Yes. And then he posted this song. Although you hear it
Talking about
it, look like it's a woman thing, but Tosh is a man who know for true word, you know. And this is really what you call the quintessential true word song, because according to the scribes, it really was throwing words of what would have been left of the Wailers, because in his mind, while you know, and Blackwell made the same argument that they respected each other, although they never trusted each other.
But Peter Tosh was the one who called Blackwell white
Chris
worse.
White, we call it white worse, right? And so, but this was kind of a true word, if you will.
Yeah, the part of the song that I like, Richie, was him saying, look for your heel back, look how it's tough. And your jaw won't feel
like Spanish town and cuff. But that was just him, you know, throwing on the gauntlet. And then he now decided that, hey, just around the same time, he followed up the brand new second hand with a song that defined Peter Tosh thereafter, a song called Legalize It. We call it the Ganja Anthem. Now listen, this song, Burial and Legalize It. In fact, when these songs came out, 1975, Peter Tosh had now signed on with Columbia Records. And the first album, this would have been his solo album, titled Legalize It. Of course, you imagine an album with 2 songs that is as big as that. And then on top of that, you throw down Catchy Shubi. The song, the album, when it hit the record shops everywhere, was a monster. Every single where. And then Tosh, by this time now, he had engaged the services of Sly and Robbie.
You know who Tosh reminds me of?
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.